I gave you a folder, Mike, that has
Yeah.
different stuff in it.
The big thing is having you get in front of them, and that's gonna answer, or probably
What?
solve many of the,
So what I might do, because it's probably gonna, if you're gonna have, because they may have locksmiths, whomever there, I
Yeah.
might bring some, from the lock manufacturer, who, you know, so I'm not getting lapped by
Yeah.
technical jargon, because my background is in building locks. This is just one of the many things
yeah.
that we offer.
Yeah.
But we'll see, I'll try to.
Yeah, well, hopefully, Mr. Ballard, somebody will reach out to you.
Again, Dave, I want that meeting to happen, whether or not you guys go ahead with this grant, because I just don't want that scuttlebutt that these locks are illegal in New Jersey,
Yeah.
because they're not.
Yeah. Well, well, I don't wanna speculate, but probably he probably just went through quickly and,
I-
you know how it is. We all get 1,000
Casual,
emails.
either
and-
casual or recklessly, either
Yeah,
way.
yeah. So, but it'll be important to be in front of them and then,
Yeah, I agree.
and
Well,
hopefully.
yeah,
we'll
I-
involve
And
them.
it's a huge district, we could consider it a level one account, because it's huge, it's a large,
Yeah,
5,000 students.
Yeah, we got like 37,000
Yeah.
students, so yeah.
Strategic account.
Yeah, we appreciate this. I hope you don't feel that this was a waste of time. At the least, we were able to make a quick video that more or less breaks it down. And of course, I hope you understand with our crisis here.
I get it.
Yeah, well, it's not just here, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I get it, it's happening everywhere, for sure, and,
Okay, and I just need to put your contacts at the end, and you are good to go. And I've edited your film.
okay, there's an extra card here if you want to grab a business.
Yeah.
It does say SSI Guardian, that's the old, same company, SSI part of School Special Incorporated, but for some reason, the Guardian piece has been pulled away. So it's just schools, safety, it's a 21st century safe classroom, school specialist.
Good. All right, Ramsey?
Yeah, I just had a couple questions for you.
This is always a good puzzle.